Welcome to the video on how to configure a breach with an internal area. An internal area is a representation of the influx area for a breach and is situated in the project area. In this project, we consider the case where a levee of a waterway is breached. Water from the waterway will flow through the breach onto the lower lands and waterways. First, we will create a new area that will function as an input area for the existing breach in our project. Click on the Areas button in the ribbon bar to begin. Click on the Add button to add a new area. Once added, it should be automatically selected. In the Area Detail panel, give it the name, Input Area. Next, we need to add an attribute by which the breach input area can be identified. Select the Attributes tab, and in the field for a new attribute, write the name Breach Input Area. For the value, provide 1 and click on the Save New Attribute button. We have now created a new basic breach input area. Finally, we have to provide a polygon of where the area is located. Select the General tab and click on the Adjust Area button. In this situation, we first select the line brush type. Secondly, we adjust the size of the line to 5. We then move our camera to the location in the water on the right side of the breach. Click one time to start a line. Then move the mouse and click a second time to confirm the line. When satisfied, click on the Apply Selection button to confirm the shape. Next, we have to configure the flooding overlay to recognize this breach. Click on the Overlays button in the ribbon bar. Select the Levee Breach Flooding Overlay. Select the active in calculation to make sure it will be recalculated when adjusting the breach. Next, click on the Configuration Wizard button. Once the wizard is ready, press Next to begin. Select the Breach Area step to go directly to the breaches. Select the breach from the choice box. Then we click Next to configure an internal area for our breach. Now select our breach input area from the choice box for the input area option and click Next to confirm. Now we have configured an internal area for a breach. We can close the wizard and recalculate the overlays. Once completed, select the overlay from the navigation panel and verify that a flooding occurs. Unfortunately, we do not yet see a flooding occur. This is because we have forgotten to define a water level in the upper waterway. We will configure an area that will function as a water level area to initiate the water level. Select Areas in the ribbon bar. In this project, we have already prepared an area that represents a water level area for the upper waterway. Unfold the water level section and select the area named Water Level -0.4. Notice that it is currently inactive. Activate it by selecting Active in Simulation. Next, select the Attributes tab and make sure it has the same water level attribute as the other water level areas in this project. We can now recalculate the overlays and inspect the base type's overlay, which is also provided by the flooding overlay. Now let's verify that actual flooding. Click on the Play button in the Legend panel and start the animation. We have now successfully configured an input area for a breach.